Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate your support and feedback. You guys keep the channel going. These are my Blackberry bushes, and in a previous video, you saw me put together the second citrus planter from Vego. Well, today I'm going to try and put at least 2 of these blackberry bushes, maybe 3, into the container. Let's get started. So here is the second citrus planter. I've added some water into the base of it so that when I get ready to add the soil can wick the water up. And then we're going to go ahead and add some amendments to the soil halfway in. We're going to try to put at least 2 of the plants in. Hopefully we can get 3 in. And then we're going to add the remaining soil and some mulch and then some more water. So this is some soil that I got from my local tractor supply and caught it on sale. And we're going to get at least half of this into the planter before we add our amendments and plants. So we have the 1 bag of soil in, and we're just going to mix it around and make sure it's broken up. There are no clumps or anything like that. Then in this container here, we have my amendments. We have some perlite, we have some azomite, we have some alfalfa pellets, we have some bone meal, we have some phosphate, and we have some blood meal. And we're going to mix some of that in here. Make sure it's mixed around. Okay, now I'm going to go and up pot so I'm not going to be able to get both of these, or 2 plants rather, into the container. The roots are the first one are just entirely too big, and unbeknownst to me, inside the plant, we have a problem with ants, and I don't want to get bit anymore. So I'm only going to put one in, and then I'll relocate the other ones later. We're going to add more soil to the top, and then we're going to put some mulch on it and water everything in. So we now have everything in place. We have the mulch, we have one plant, and I'll have to figure out something to do with the other two because I want to move them from this area. Now we're just watering everything in thoroughly, and then we're going to top off the reservoir. Being surprised by a bunch of ants in that one container. Threw a monkey wrench in my program, but it's all good. We'll come up with something else. Now, I have a trellis that I'm going to sit this planter in front of, and hopefully the vines of this plant will grow up the trellis. The other two are actually growing into the ground, and that's the main purpose of moving them because I don't want that to happen. Now this comes with a cap that pops off just like that, and we're going to go to the jet nozzle and just fill everything up. Hopefully it won't take too long. So we got the blackberry bush in, it's all watered in, and it has the mulch on it, so everything on here is good to go. I have quite a few questions about growing these. This is my first time. I see some dead wood, and I want to know, do I prune the dead wood or do I just leave it as is? Those of you that grow these routinely and are all pros about it, leave me a comment and I'll be good. I'll be sure to respond back to you. I have, as I said, I have 3 of these, and they started growing into the ground, and that is not exactly what I wanted. So, as I said, I have a trellis. I'm going to put that together at a later date and hopefully get these to train growing on the trellis. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart, even though it was a little painful for me. Um, I saw no signs of ants inside the container, not until I got ready to break up the mound. I'm sorry, the root ball to plant this, and that's when I noticed them. But lesson learned. When I get ready to do the other two, make sure and be prepared for it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. Those of you that grow berries such as this, strawberries and everything, let me know if you think this is a good idea and it's something that will work. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and hopefully fruit by myself, but it's a given. One thing I cannot grow is a channel. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.